want to take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Kenya, apologize to the delegates who came to the France Africa Summit because of the humiliation and the mistreatment they found at KICC, where very, very serious people like the CEO of Total was humiliated and embarrassed. You know, a CEO having a company that has 3, 4, 5 times Kenya's GDP was embarrassed at KICC. And government had not been any arrangements. There is no protocol, there is nothing. So our country is embarrassed internationally. And you know what is happening, why we have a big problem with the protocol. When President William took over, there were very serious protocol officers who have a lot of experience, who were working under President Uhuru Kenyatta. And he had a problem with them simply because of where they come from. And he removed them. And there is no problem by removing people you are uncomfortable with, but you replace them with professionals. Instead of replacing them with professionals, the chief government receptionist was a waiter who used to serve us with tea called Chebet when he was deputy president. She is the chief government receptionist, a waiter who was serving us tea at the current residence. She is called Chebet from his community, and she's a relative. That is why the whole protocol is in shambles. We are so embarrassed as a country. How do you get a tea girl and tell her she's the chief government receptionist to be in charge of protocol for the government? That is the crisis that we face as a country. And we are very embarrassed. So we like to ask the CEO of Total, please accept our apologies as a country. The people of Kenya have, did not intend to embarrass you, to humiliate you. It's simply that we have a dysfunctional government that has brought relatives and tribesmen to be in charge of dockets where they have no capacity. That is the crisis that we face as a country. Thank you very much.